the Chhattisgarh Rent Control Act, 2011 came into force on? Answer is B, the 1st of April 2012. What is the official name of the rent control law enacted in Chhattisgarh in 2011? Answer C, Chhattisgarh Rent Control Act, 2011. What is the objective of the Chhattisgarh Rent Control Act, 2011? Answer C, regulation of rent, tenancy, and eviction. The act applies to which type of property? Answer C, residential and commercial rented premises. To which area does the Chhattisgarh Rent Control Act, 2011 extend? Answer C, the whole of Chhattisgarh state. What is the short title of the act? Answer C, Chhattisgarh Rent Control Act, 2011. To which areas does the act apply in the first instance? Answer C, municipal areas comprising district headquarters. Who has the authority to extend the act to other areas of the state? Answer C, state government by notification. How is the extension of the act to other areas notified? Answer D, by notification in the official gazette. What is the act number of the Chhattisgarh Rent Control Act, 2011A, 19 of 2011B, 19 of 2012C, 41 of 1961D, 23 of 1956? Answer B, 19 of 2012. Who qualifies as a habitual defaulter under the Act? A, tenant missing one rent payment. B, tenant failing to pay rent, dues 3 jour times in 12 months. C, landlord not providing receipts. D, tenant subletting the accommodation months. Answer B, tenant failing to pay rent, dues 3 jour times in 12. Who is considered a landlord under the Act? A, only the property owner. B, person entitled to receive rent, including trustees or guardians. C, tenant's family members. D, rent controller. Answer B, person entitled to receive rent, including trustees or guardians. Who is considered a landlord under the Act? A, only the property owner. B, person entitled to receive rent, including trustees or guardians. C, tenant's family members. D, rent controller. Answer B, person entitled to receive rent, including trustees or guardians. What is meant by social nuisance under the Act? A, paying rent late. B, acts like drunken brawls or prostitution. C, renovating the accommodation. D, filing a tenancy agreement. Answer B, acts like drunken brawls or prostitution. Which accommodations are exempt from the Act? A, privately owned buildings. B, government owned accommodations. C, commercial shops only. D, residential apartments only. Answer B, government owned accommodations. What is required for leasing an accommodation under Section 4? A, oral agreement. B, written agreement. C, court approval. D, police verification. Answer B, written agreement. What must happen if no written agreement existed before the Act's commencement? A, tenancy is void. B, landlord and tenant jointly create and file a written agreement. C, tenant must vacate. D, rent controller drafts the agreement. Answer B, landlord and tenant jointly create and file a written agreement. When is rent typically due under Section 5? A, first of the month. B, 15th of the following month. C, end of the year. D, as decided by the rent controller. Answer B, 15th of the following month. Who appoints the chairman of the Rent Control Tribunal? A, District Collector. B, State Government. C, High Court. D, Supreme Court. Answer B, State Government. What is the minimum rank of a rent controller? A, Civil Judge Class I. B, Deputy Collector. C, District Judge. D, Deputy Secretary. Answer B, Deputy Collector. What happens to pending cases when the Rent Control Tribunal becomes functional? A, transferred to the tribunal. B, continue under the old Act. C, dismissed. D, moved to the High Court. Answer B, continue under the old Act. 19. Where is the headquarters of the Rent Control Tribunal located? A, Bilaspur. B, Raipur. C, Durg. D, Jagdalpur. Answer B, Raipur. 20. What power does the Rent Control Tribunal have similar to a High Court? A. Issuing arrest warrants. B. Punishing contempt. C. Setting rent rates. D. Amending the Act. Answer. B. Punishing contempt. 21. What is a key responsibility of the rent controller? A. Drafting tenancy agreements. B. Reconciling landlord-tenant disputes. C. Collecting rent. D. Inspecting accommodations. Answer. B. Reconciling landlord-tenant disputes. 22. What is the maximum timeline for rent controller proceedings? A. 3 months. B. 6 months. C. 1 year. D. 45 days. Answer. B. 6 months. 23. Which is not a mode of executing orders under Section 11? A. Attachment of property. B. Arrest of opposite party. C. Direct rent collection. D. Delivering possession. Possession. Answer. C. Direct rent collection. 24. What is the main profit rate for commercial accommodations if a tenant fails to vacate within 3 months? A. 1x rent. B. 2x rent. C. 3x rent. D. 5x rent. Answer. C. 3x rent. 25. What is the maximum timeline for execution proceedings under Section 11? A. 30 days. B. 45 days. C. 60 days. D. 90 days. Answer. B. 45 days. 26. In rent disputes, who gets the benefit of doubt under Section 12? A. Landlord. B. Tenant. C. Rent controller. D. Tribunal. Answer. B. Tenant. 27. What is the penalty for undermining rights or neglecting obligations under Section 12? A. Fine up to 10,000 billion rupees, imprisonment up to 6 months. C. Fine up to 5,000 rupees or imprisonment up to 3 months. D. Community service. Answer. C. Fine up to 5,000 rupees or imprisonment up to 3 months. 7. What happens if a landlord and tenant fail to jointly file a tenancy agreement under Section 4? A. Tenancy is terminated. B. Parties file particulars separately. C. Rent controller cancels the lease. D. Tribunal takes over the property. Answer. B. Parties file particulars separately. Under Section 5, what charges are excluded from the definition of rent? A. Security deposit. B. Amenity charges. C. Maintenance fees. D. Property taxes. Answer. B. Amenity charges. Within how many days must the state government constitute the rent control tribunal? A. 15 days. B. 30 days. C. 45 days. D. 60 days. Answer. B. 30 days. Who can serve as the registrar of the rent control tribunal? A. Any government employee. B. Officer not below civil judge class I or deputy secretary. C. District collector. D. High court judge. Answer. B. Officer not below civil judge class I or deputy secretary. Which courts retain jurisdiction over matters under the Act after the tribunal's establishment? A. District courts. B. Supreme Court, Article 136, and High Courts, Articles 226, 227. C. Revenue courts. D. Civil courts. Answer. B. Supreme Court, Article 136, and High Courts, Articles 226, 227. 12. What is the role of the district collector in relation to the rent controller? A. Appoints the rent controller. B. Sets the territorial jurisdiction of the rent controller. C. Acts as appellate authority. D. Enforces tribunal orders. Answer. B. Sets the territorial jurisdiction of the rent controller. Under Section 10, what principle guides the procedure of the rent controller and tribunal? A. Code of Civil Procedure, 1908. B. Indian Penal Code, 1860. C. Natural Justice. D. Transfer of Property Act, 1882. Answer. C. Natural Justice. Under Section 11, who can the rent controller seek assistance from for execution? A. Only the tribunal. B. Local administration, bodies, or police. C. High Court. D. Tenant's family. Answer. B. Local administration, bodies, or police. 16. What happens if a tenant appeals an order for recovery of possession under Section 11? A. Main profits are waived. B. Main profits apply unless specifically ordered otherwise. C. Execution is paused indefinitely. D. Tribunal dismisses the appeal. Answer. B. Main profits apply unless specifically ordered otherwise. 18. Where can an appeal against a rent controller's order be filed under Section 13? A. High Court. B. Supreme Court. C. Rent Control Tribunal. D. District Court. Answer C. Rent Control Tribunal. Where does an appeal against a rent control tribunal's order lie? A. High Court. B. Supreme Court. C. District Collector. D. Rent Controller. Answer B. Supreme Court.